Welcome to Ancient Sayings. I'm Dr. Eric Harvey. Today we're looking at Sumerian proverb 3.156. Although it wasn't important to him, he attended the festival. It's Friday night, and I'm sure some of you out there are introverts who would just as soon stay home and read as go out and socialize, and yet you find yourself dragged out to a party you're not all that excited about. And I just want you all to know that you are part of a 3 millennia-old proud tradition of introverts who begrudgingly go to parties they don't want to attend. So try to find a way to enjoy the party tonight, and I'll see you again on Monday for more daily doses of ancient common sense. Please like and subscribe too. Bye!